सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my channel Study with Sir. Today is the third video of factorization chapter. Today we will discuss factorization on the basis of difference of squares. Okay. In this exercise we will deal with a square minus b square, a plus b multiplied with a minus b. If it is square, we will expand directly. If it is not square, then we have to make it square. After that, we will do a plus b and a minus b. Okay. For that, we need some question. So look at here very carefully. We will start with simple common question. Question I have written for you. 16 minus 9x square. We have to factorize. In this exercise, what we will do? We will expand this term in the form of a square minus b square. Means, in simple language, what you have to do? You have to make it square. 16 is whose square? 9 is whose square? 16 is whose square? You know, 16 means we can write 16, 4 is whole square, and 9, 3. This x we can write like this. 3 is a 9 and x square. So we can break this question in this form. Now how we will expand after this? Now it is a square minus b square. Okay. Now 4 will act as a square minus this term will act as a square. What is its expansion? A plus b, a minus b. Very simple. So what we will write here? 4 square minus 3h square. Means in the place of a what is here 4, in the place of a what is here 4, in the place of b what is here 3x, 4 minus 3x is our answer. Like this we can do this exercise very easily. Now see one question I have written for you. It is in fraction, it is in full term. 4, whose square 4, 2, 25, whose square 25, 5. Here is 25, whose square 25, 5. So we can write this question like this. In place of 2, in place of 4, here will be 2. In place of 25, here will be 5. Whole square we can write like this. Okay. Now for this term, 25 means 5e whole square. Now you check. First term is square minus second term is square. Now we can write this question. 2 by 5 plus 5b, 2 by 5 minus 5. It is our required answer. Is it okay? Come see, question I have written for you. 5a minus 3b whole square minus 16b whole square. Okay. This term is already square. We will not do anything. But 16, whole square is 16. All of you know 4. How we will write this question? 5a minus 3b whole square minus in place of 16 here will be 4b whole square. Now you check this total term is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. Okay. Plus 4b. Next time 5a minus 3b minus 4b. Clear? This plus is from formula, this minus is from formula. Okay. A plus b, a minus b. In this exercise, we have to do one time plus, one time minus. Come see now. Question I have written for you. Interesting question. Here is 1. Here is 25. It is already square. 1. In the place of 1, we can write 1 only because the square of 1 is only 1. 25. 5 square is 25. So how we can write this term? We can write a minus 5a plus b. Now check this step nicely. For this 25, I have written here 5 a plus b, a plus b. Now big bracket square means this square is for 5 and this square is for this question also. Okay. Now this total term is a and this total term is b. A square minus b square. How we will do? 1 plus, after this we will do one more step. What is that? First we will simplify. Okay. Multiply 5 into a 5a 5b. Okay. Now we will break in formula. 1 plus 5a plus 5b. Okay. 1 minus. Whenever we will do minus, keep the next term in bracket. Okay. 5a plus 5b. 1 plus 5a plus 5b. Remove the bracket. That is our required answer. Okay. Come, one more question I have written for you. Those who have not understood that part, this question you see carefully and try to understand. You will get it nicely. Okay. 25, whose square is 25? 16, whose square is 16? You know how to write. In place of 25, I can write 5 square. 2x plus y square. 16. 4 square. X minus y whole square. This step is okay. Next, 5. 2x plus y. Big bracket we can write here square. This square is for 5. This square is for this one. Okay. Minus, same here. 4 x minus y whole square we can write like this. Now what we will do after this? Before expanding, first we will multiply. 5 into 2, 10x plus 5y whole square minus, multiply 4x minus 4y whole square. Okay. Now the question is very simple now. This total term is a and this total term is b. How we will do? A plus b and a minus b. First we will plus a plus b, 4x minus 4y. Okay. Next, a minus b. What I have told you, whenever you give minus symbol, next equation you keep in bracket. 4x minus 4y. Because the sign will change. Okay. Now here is 10x, here is 4x. 10x plus 4x, 14x plus 5y minus 4y plus y. This term is finished. Now this term expand. 10x plus 5y minus 4x minus plus 4y. Okay. Due to this region we are giving here bracket. Okay. Now 14x plus y. Here is 10x, here is 4x. Minus it. 6, 5 plus 4. 9y. Okay. You know already how we will add. We will add variables with same group, variables with same group. Okay. Now check carefully. In 6 and in 9, something is common. We will write 14x plus y. What is common here? 3. What is there? 3 is common here. 3 to the 6x plus 3 3 the 9y. We can write like this. This 3 you can write in front here. 14x plus y, 2x plus 3. That is our required answer. Okay. Come, one more question I have written for you. Question is very easy. It is already square. It is already square. It is in mixed fraction. Change the mixed fraction. What will come here? Multiply multiply. Okay, now by formula we have to do a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. That is a plus b, a minus b. How to plus? Take LCM. 20 plus 7. How to minus? Take LCM. 20 minus 7. Subtract 13 by 3. 9 into 13 multiply. 9 into 13 by 3. What will come here? Now see question. Here is 75, here is 48. But in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to make it square. But 75 is perfect square? No. 48 is perfect square? No. Then how we will solve this question? Question is very important for your concept. How we will do it? If anyhow we can make it perfect square, then we can factorize very easily. Okay? How to make it perfect square? How we will do? In first part of this video, I have told you we have to take common. Okay? If you take common from 75 and 48, what is the highest common factor? You can see 3 is the highest common factor. 3 you take common and try. 3 is common. What is left here? 25. How? 3 into 25, 75. In this term and in this term, anything is common? Nothing is common, so we cannot take common. In numbers, anything is common, 3 is common, we can take minus. From 48, 3 we have taken common. So what is left here? 16. 3 into 16, 48. X minus y square. Now you see this question carefully. We have done already. Now here is 25. Here is 16. 25 is perfect square. 16 is perfect square. Now we can simplify very easily. Come, let us start. 3 you remain outside. 25 means 5 x plus y square 4 x minus y. We can write like this. 3 is outside. Multiply 5x plus 5y. Clear? Minus. Multiply 4x minus 4y. Okay. Now this total term is a. This total term is a square minus b square. We will plus a plus b 5x plus 5y plus 4x minus 4y. This plus is from formula. Now next time we will minus. How we will minus? I have told you. Keep the next term in bracket. It is a minus b. Okay. 3 outside. 5x plus 4x. What we can write? 9x plus 5y minus 4y. What we can write? Plus y. Now here, remove the bracket. 5x plus 5y minus 4x minus minus plus 4y. 3 9x plus y plus 5x minus 4x. What is left? Only x in this two. 5y and 4y plus 9y. We can write our answer like this. Clear? See, one new question I have written for you. Question is very interesting and of new type. Okay. A square plus 4a plus 4 minus b square. This term is already square. This term is already square. 4. Which square is 4? 2 square we can write 4. But 4a, you see here is new term. If you check this term nicely, which square is this? You can identify which square is this. What is the 9 square? 81. 9 square is 81. This is trinomial. A square plus 4a plus 4. How to break this? Check here carefully. This I can write. a square plus 4 2ab 2ab in the place of b what is here 2 plus 2 square minus b square. Now why it is new? Because of this reason it is new. You have to see the all three terms whose square it is. It can be whose square. How to check? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Whose formula is this? We can write this formula: a plus 2 whole square minus b square. This question we can write in this form. This question we can write in this form: a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 to the 4a. Okay. That is why question is new. You have to think like that, whose square it is. If you expand this, the same term will come. Okay. Now it is already square. What we will do? A plus 2 plus b. A plus 2 minus b. At only first step, you have to check here carefully. Okay. Whenever three terms you get, you identify first term, middle term, last term. Okay. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now see. Question I have written for you. Okay. A square minus b square minus 2b minus 1. We have to factorize. Okay. By which basis? A square minus b square. Okay. We have to make it a square. Whose square it is? By seeing this, can you identify whose square is 1? Square of 1 is only 1. We can change this question like this: a square. We will not do anything. Minus. We will give here bracket. B square plus 2b plus 1. We can write like this. If you remove the bracket, minus plus minus minus plus minus, we can write like this. Now why we have written like this? To make it square. Whose square it is? Now you see, square of any number is already positive, but here is no positive sign. There is positive sign? No. So we have to make it positive. How? We will give bracket. Now you check positive, positive is plus. Now we can put this term in formula. Whose formula it is? A square minus, check nicely, b square plus 2a. What is there in the place of a? B into b. What is here? 1 plus 1 square. All these three terms we can write like this. Okay. After this, b square plus 2 into b into 1 plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write same. A plus b whole square. A square b square 2ab. Same question we can write like this. Now what we have done? We have changed the question in this form. Okay. Now what we will do after this? A, same formula we will use. A plus b and a minus b. It is our required answer. I hope all of you have understood this nicely. If not, watch the video again. The only basic concept of this chapter is we have to break the term in a square minus b square. If it is not perfect square, take common and make it square. And if it is trinomial, try to break in either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, press like button, press the notification bell and share with your friends. Stay tuned in the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.